Huawei has taken a bold leap forward, and the tech world is buzzing about it. HarmonyOS Next, Huawei's latest operating system, is not just an upgrade, it's a declaration of independence. In the past, Huawei faced significant challenges when Google services were no longer accessible due to the US sanctions. But instead of giving up, they turned adversity into innovation. HarmonyOS Next is Huawei's most ambitious step yet, designed to be entirely free from Android's ecosystem. It's not just an update, it's a reinvention. With zero Android code, HarmonyOS Next introduces its own kernel, powered by Huawei's Harmony architecture and the cutting-edge Pangu AI model. This isn't just a software update, it's a complete shift in how Huawei wants its users to experience technology. This move is bold, but it comes with challenges. Many users outside China heavily rely on Google services for day-to-day activities. Huawei, however, has devised an innovative solution, an emulator called Easy Abroad. This clever workaround, available on the app gallery, bridges the gap for those who need access to apps like YouTube, Google Maps, and Gmail. Unlike clunky third-party solutions, Easy Abroad delivers smooth app performance by leveraging micro-technology. Early beta testers report seamless transitions between HarmonyOS Next and Android apps, even though there are some minor quirks like notification delays. But considering the OS is still in its beta phase, this solution feels promising for those nervous about the shift away from Google. HarmonyOS Next is not only about independence, it's about security. Huawei has completely revamped how permissions work. Gone are the days of apps requesting excessive access to sensitive data. By removing 9 of the riskiest permissions, Huawei is making sure users are safer than ever. This level of security might even rival or surpass what Apple offers according to early adopters who've tested the beta. One former iPhone user in China described the smoothness of HarmonyOS Next as nothing short of revolutionary, even claiming it made iOS feel outdated. This shift is not just about ditching Google, but creating a system so secure and smooth that users might prefer it over long-standing giants like iOS and Android. What's truly surprising is how quickly HarmonyOS is gaining traction. Recent reports show that its market share in China has jumped to 15%, marking a significant rise from earlier figures. It's not just the OS itself that's drawing users, but the ecosystem it promises to build. Huawei is positioning HarmonyOS Next as more than just a smartphone operating system. It's a complete experience designed for smartphones, tablets, and possibly even more devices. The current beta testing program, especially for flagship devices like the MatePad Pro 13.2, is drawing significant attention. Users are eager to explore features that redefine multitasking, animations, and overall usability. Beta testers, of course, are encountering some expected hiccups. App crashes, occasional overheating, and battery drain are common issues in such early stages. But for those willing to explore and provide feedback, the experience feels like stepping into the future. It's worth noting that the beta program offers more than just early access. It's an opportunity to shape the final product. If Huawei can address these early concerns effectively, HarmonyOS Next could solidify its position as a genuine alternative to Android and iOS, not just in China, but globally. Imagine a future where Android and iOS are no longer the dominant players, where HarmonyOS stands as a symbol of innovation and resilience. Huawei's decision to focus on independence and user security is a game changer. The question now is, how will the global tech community respond? Will other manufacturers start looking for alternatives to Google's ecosystem? And will Huawei's bold move inspire confidence or create hesitation among potential users outside China? These are big questions, and the answers will shape the tech landscape for years to come. For now, one thing is clear. Huawei is no longer just following trends, they're setting them. If you're excited to see where HarmonyOS Next is headed or wondering whether it's worth the leap, stay tuned. This story is just beginning, and the journey ahead is going to be fascinating.